shadows chasing ghosts in my head. The echoes of silence scream louder instead. Boots on the gravel, each step heavier than last. Hearts a broken record, spinning songs of the past. Hands strumming, reaching for something not there. The weight of your absence hangs thick